Hi, I'm Dr. Sowerby from Johnson Ranch Animal Clinic, talking to you today about kennel cough.
What is kennel cough, Dr. Sowerby, and how do I know if my dog has it?
Great question. Kennel cough is basically this term for the doggy common cold. There are a bunch of things that can cause it, a lot of different bacteria and viruses that can all cause these symptoms of coughing, lethargy, sometimes inappetence. Overall, I don't feel good.
What does it sound like when a dog has kennel cough?
So it's mostly just a cough that they have, but it can be like this honking type cough because it's usually more of an upper respiratory. So a lot of times in the throat, you can hear this honking cough, but occasionally it can travel downwards and cause a pneumonia. So sometimes if it gets bad enough, it can be a wet cough as well.
How do they get kennel cough?
Like I mentioned, very similar to its doggy common cold. So being around other infected animals, a lot of times in a close environment, boarding facilities, dog parks, things like that.
How do I keep my dog from getting it?
Vaccines. Vaccines are the best way to prevent kennel cough. Like I mentioned, there's a lot of different things that can cause kennel cough, but vaccines are good for preventing the more common types of kennel cough. So Bordetella vaccine, as well as your distemper parvo vaccine, has adenovirus and parainfluenza as well.
Okay, now you said that they can get it by going to boarding facilities. How do I know if my boarding facility has high standards for health?
Great question. A lot of different things to look out for. I highly recommend interviewing your boarding facility before booking the stay, checking it out, making sure it's not overcrowded, that it is sanitary, and well ventilation is going to be the big thing, because just like us in a not so well ventilated area, we can get the cold. Same thing for our pets.
Now, I have a puppy and he's had some of his shots, but not all of them. Is it safe for him to go to the doggy daycare, or if I need to board him over the holidays?
Good question. So puppies need their final puppy series before considered fully vaccinated. Their immune systems just are not fully developed. So just like babies, human babies, very similar. I do recommend having them fully vaccinated at least 16 weeks of age, but talk to your veterinarian if you have any specific questions about your kiddo. But I do recommend the full puppy series before sending them to a boarding facility. And best to get the vaccine at least 2 weeks before your stay, because it can take about 2 weeks for your immune system to recognize the vaccine.
Okay, and if I do have a dog that is fully vaccinated, can he still get kennel cough?
It's still possible because there are a lot of different types of bacteria and viruses that can cause it. But if they're vaccinated, hopefully it's not one of the more severe forms of kennel cough.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Dr. Sowerby.
Thank you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to help.